brush. Yeah, so today I will be showing you how to do a smoky with purple on a real face, a smoky festival with a nice shadow. Okay, a smoky festival look. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, first. The first step you need this smoky purple look, so we can give it really the shade on each side of the cheekbones. So what you need is a bit of a purple one. Okay, then we'll put it on each of the eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna put it looks good for the eyebrows, and let's put a bit more here. Okay guys, thank you very much guys. The second thing you need a brush, so we can actually blend it in it, so we can give it really the festival look, but we need really to blend the colors in each side of the cheekbone, so we need a bit more here to put it on the brush, right? And we are going to put a bit on the cheekbones. We really can give it like the smoky festive look, right? Because the smoky festive look need to have like the color on the cheekbones need to be like that. So the color will blend and will give it a festive look. Okay? A bit more. Now the third thing that you need is an eyeliner, and you need to put this one on each side of the eye, near the eyebrows, so we really give it like the festive look. Okay, okay. So we take this eyeliner and we put it on the really blend the color so we can give it really the festive look. Right? So we really give it like the festive look. We need to blend the color, so we really give it the look of the festive look with the purple touch. Okay, I hope it will really help you guys to in this tutorial. I need the look, the festive purple look, right? So we really give it a purple look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching.